Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are doing great. And this is a review of a trading broker called FIRSTOCK. And I've been using this FIRSTOCK trading broker from quite a few days, testing and using also. I thought I'll just give a review about this broker so you are aware about this broker and the facilities. These are the stocks, so you can add your stocks over here. Any stock, like always we search for Reliance, right? So we can search for Reliance, and if you want to add Reliance stock, you can add it here. So apart from that, this is nothing but your buy button. You can keep your buy button, you can switch here, and then we have our sell button. Then we have the depth. So depth chart has all this information of low, open, high, previous close, total quantities, volume, average price, lower circuit, upper circuit, and the 52-week high and 52-week low. All those informations over here. This is going to be a chart. It's going to be a trading view chart, so you can use based on your time frame, your strategy, and all that. So directly we have trading view chart over here. Apart from that, we can set alerts. Okay, so if you want to know, let's say if Reliance is going higher 2750, so once it reaches 2750, I want an alert. So we can, if you can set an alert. Okay, so alert as per the price and the condition, value, and say what you have to take action, because you'll forget, right, what you have to do. Apart from that, you can create GTT order, good till trigger order, right? So this will stay for almost a year, so you can use GTT order, and then you can add this stock to your favorites here. And we have option chain. So for example, you want to hedge and you want to see the strike price at which you want to hedge, so you can always click on the stock or the switcher and then go to the option chain and then see which strike price you want to buy, sell, or options call, buy, sell, and then you can hedge your positions. Here we have the dashboard. So let's say here we'll get to know how much margin is there now, how much of orders have been taken today, what is the positions for the day, and what is the holdings, and all that you get to know in your dashboard. Now going to the orders we have, see for example, I took Tata Power today. First I took a delivery of 200, hoping that there is a upper circuit. So once it reached upper circuit, I realized it's gonna break, so I converted my position to intraday and took 1000 more shares. As soon as it broke the upper circuit, I just took the level of 260.28, and then I scalped it and sold it around 263.26. so it was a quick scalp which I did. I just took advantage. If you see the timing also, you will get to know the timing over here, and status complete. So the trade books will look like this. How the buy was done initially at 1050, and then I took a position around intraday when a circuit broke around 11:13. Within 3 minutes I sold my positions, and we made a good profit over there for the capital invested. This is a GTT orders. This is the basket order. So in basket order, you can create a basket. Let's say I'm just putting DIAS, or let's say if you have a stock Reliance, you can just put that name there, and then you can search for the stock Reliance. So for example, you want to add Reliance over here. Okay, I'll just put like this. Okay, just one quantity and all that. So if you want to add an option to it, generally what we do it with the future, let's say, or the ones who are doing options trading, it will be more useful. For example, you're adding an option here. Let me delete this equity. So let's say you're adding an option here or futures here. So now I want to hedge the position. The margin required is so and so. So I'm just doing a rough calculation, guys. I'm not using any strategy here. So Reliance, let me say on 2700. Let me put this. Okay, I'll just add one lot. So you see now the capital required was 1,62,000, but because of the hedge, because this is the future of October and this is the option of October, the capital required is 40,000, right? So now I can consider, okay, with 40,000 I can trade these two, the stock Reliance. Okay, just with 60,000 what we have, I can trade with this trade, right? So you will know how much margin is required, how much capital is required. All that you'll get to know by this basket order. You can add more, you can hedge based on your stock and all that, and then you can execute and in the order you want. Okay, you want this to go first or this to go first. You can set your order. So if you want to buy the option first, so that the margin required will be less, and then it will buy your future. so it will execute, and when you sell you may close your future so that your big margin is closed, and then you will close your option, right? So that is a technical part, I'm not talking about it, but I'm just telling you the advantage. The ones who are doing all this hedging and all that will be aware of all these technical things. So this is going to be benefiting for you guys, the basket order. So that is where in the orders go to basket orders. So now I don't want this basket order, I'll just delete it. Apart from that, we have positions. So whatever the position you took today, for example, I took a position in Tata Power. So we made a profit around, let's say 4,200, that is 4,620, sorry. So that is the profit of Tata Power what we do intraday. And if you take any positions and you're holding your position, let's say I've taken two examples for you, Tata Power and BHEL. So these are the investment value, how much I've invested, and what is the current price, what is the profit, P&L, how much overall percentage, let's say 47% Tata Power has gone up. So here you'll get to know overall is 14% in BHEL is what it has gone up, and today day itself it has gone 18% and 0.7%, right? So this information is over here. So overall summary you'll get to know in the top. Apart from that, you have something called margin, where you'll get to know how much total credits you have, and the profit what we made for 4,600. It's a total credit for next day. So all that information breakup is given in this particular screen. So that's more about the web version. So we have an app also, and we also have an exe version also. I'll just show you, because everything, the logics are going to be the same. I'll just show you the interface. So before to that, if you don't have a FIRSTOCK account, or any day if you like to open a FIRSTOCK account, the link is in video description. I've given the link. You can open your account and be a part of my secret Telegram channel. Also, they are giving an offer of 100 trades, 100 free trades. That is brokerage. The brokerage what you're going to pay to FIRSTOCK is going to be free. So the first 100 trades, whoever opens through our link, they have activated the offer for you guys. So take advantage of that. So this is how the app looks like, the FIRSTOCK app, and pretty same interface, and very smooth and very quick to execute. So I personally used it, so I know that buy, sell, and market depth, all your informations, your futures is given over here, your options, option chain, and your chart, timer, and all that. You can use it. And same thing, buy and sell. You can give intraday delivery limit, SL, SLM order, and all that orders you can give right over here. So that is pretty much same. And then the orders what we saw, the pending orders, the executed orders, the basket order, and we have something called condition orders also, like GTT orders, and portfolio what you saw, your P&L, and then your holdings, all that information is over here. And this is the exe format, that is the exe which you can download. Okay, it's an application. So web version, you go to the website, and app we go to the mobile play store, and then we download the app. Same way exe is a app for your system. So this is going to be pretty faster. Like if you beginners don't know, this is going to be pretty faster, and the execution is going to be more faster. Yes, it looks like a black and white exe every time it looks a black and white, but end of the day, the reason a lot of pro traders use this is because of the speed. It will be very quick and fast compared to our web version or compared to the app version. So people who are using system will definitely be using this. Experienced traders, your order book, positions, everything is there over here. So you get to know the same thing over here. No too much of coloring and all that, because the more you add here, things get slower. So things are going to be plain here, and it's going to be very fast in executing your things, your watch list, and all that information. You can keep adding all your extra things over here. All this setups we can do. Okay, you can create your own layout and trade like a pro trader. So basically, if you're an experienced trader, definitely this exe file, that is you can download this file and take advantage. It's an app in your system, and you can log in. It will be pretty faster. So every other rule is going to be the same, but this is going to be the interface of this exe file. So these are the different services provided by them, that the web version, the app, and the exe file. So that was more about the FIRSTOCK trading platform, and a review about it. I'm using it for quite a few days. It is very fast and quick. That is what I like. The speed is what I liked in this particular broker, and the interface is very smooth and easy to use. So any day if you like to open an account, you can definitely open your account. The link is in video description. So hope you liked it. See you soon with one more review videos on different products. Till then, take care. Bye bye.